Here at the URL Doctor, we believe that the future of education lies in e-learning. E-learning is the practice of learning and training through digital resources, making typically boring and unengaging material much more entertaining for learners taking the course. As a new course author, you want your learners to retain your material. E-learning will better keep your learners' attention and more effectively communicate the lessons you want to teach. Ready to dive in head first? Before you do, why not check out our course on Your Training Base? Our How to Create an Online Course Masterclass will thoroughly educate you on the core concepts of online course building, learning management systems, gamification, and much, much more while providing real-world examples of these practices at work. Ready to get started? Hit the link below to get started today.